Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Simplified Computer Science Concepts by Professor Rutuja. Today we will be seeing one more new concept in operating system, that is CPU bound processes and input-output bound processes. So let us begin. So let us first understand what is CPU bound process. So the processes that spends more amount of time performing computation tasks than input-output tasks are called CPU bound processes. So I'll just explain this with the help of example, wherein this is a CPU. CPU is performing some arithmetic operation. Let's say here 4 plus 2. This is the computation task that is performed. And to display this particular computation on the monitor, the answer is 6. Now this particular arithmetic task requires 5 seconds to complete, and to display the particular result it requires 2 seconds. Now the computation task time taken is 5 seconds, which is greater than that of the input output task, that is to display it on the screen. So this is CPU bound process because the time taken for the computation task is greater than that of the time taken by the input-output tasks. The next one is input-output bound processes. So these processes are the processes that spend more time performing input-output tasks than computation tasks. So again we will take the same example wherein the CPU is performing some arithmetic operation, that is 4 plus 2, and it is displaying its result. So this is input-output task. So now here the time taken to perform this arithmetic operation is 2 seconds. However, the time taken to perform this input-output task is, let's say, 5 seconds. So here this particular scenario, input-output task is taking more amount of time than that of the arithmetic operation. So this particular task is called as input-output bound process. I'll tell you the same concept with one more example, wherein there is a main memory and there are two processes, P1 and P2. Now let's say in process P1 there are 10 instructions to be executed, and out of these 10 instructions, 7 instructions are CPU task and 3 instructions are input-output task. So simply out of these 10 instructions, 7 instructions are CPU instructions and 3 are input-output instructions. So obviously 7 is greater than 3. So this particular process P1 is CPU bound process. Now let us consider for process P2. Here in P2, if you see, out of 10, only 2 are CPU tasks and other 8 are input-output tasks. So out of 10, 8 instructions are input-output instructions and 2 are CPU instructions. So 8 is greater than 2. So process P2 is input-output bound process. So I hope you have understood the concept of CPU bound processes and input bound processes. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone.